Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, guys. If you have one of those, you need to find the relay for the all-wheel drive module, for the front axle disconnect as well, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain where it's located, how to test the relay, and if you still have problems with the all-wheel drive not working correctly, we'll explain about the situation and what can cause that. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll share very helpful information that can, guys, save you quite a bit of time and money. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix practically almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, we take them completely apart. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And Dodge Charger, we'll be taking it completely apart. Not to say a big word, but probably we'll have close to 500 free repair videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools, relays, fuses, anything for a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So now the relay for the all-wheel drive, guys, also known as a front axle disconnect. If you come right here, this is your main fuse box under the hood for the powertrain and the engine compartment. So you push on these tabs like that, it comes out, flip it this way, you will see the fuse numbers. This is on the back side, relays, fuses here as well, and that layout here corresponds to what we have there. The relay, guys, that we need to find, okay, for the front axle disconnect now, okay. If you have the front axle disconnect, guys, it will be that relay right here. Now make sure that yours is actually, guys, working, because obviously ours, somebody took it, okay, for something else. We just bought that car used at the auction and it has the problem, and you can see it just needs to go right here. That will be your relay. Now if you want to see, guys, how to test the relay, we're going to put a link to a video that will explain that, and it will teach you how to do it very easily. How to test the relay and where you can buy replacement relay for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Now if you still have problems with the all-wheel drive not working, we'll have a special video that will teach you what causes that and how to fix it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.